Earn RS33, 750 month from home with DMIT Business Vertical Bar High Profit, Low Investment Opportunity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mind Map Academy. Are you looking for a rewarding business opportunity that allows you to work from home and make a meaningful impact on people's lives? Let me introduce you to the DMIT business, Dermatoglyphics, Multiple Intelligence Test, a powerful tool that helps individuals uncover their unique strengths, talents, and learning styles. Starting this business is incredibly simple. All you need is a small room, even in your own home, about 100 square feet, and you're ready to begin. Now, let's talk numbers. For each DMIT test and counseling session, you charge RS3,000. Out of this, only 25% means RS750 is given to the Mind Map Academy for their support and expertise. That leaves you with RS2, 250 as your profit. Yes, that's an incredible 75% profit margin. Now think about this. If you counsel just 15 people in a month, you earn RS33, 750. And this is just the beginning. As you gain experience and build a reputation, your earnings will grow significantly. So, how do you start? 1. Share about DMIT on your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Social media is your biggest ally to reach a wider audience. 2. Talk to the people around you, your neighbors, friends, local influencers like village heads, school teachers, and parents. 3. Organize a demo session in your community. Show them how DMIT works and how it can bring life-changing insights. This business is not just about earning money, it's about creating a positive impact in your community. Imagine helping parents understand their child's potential, guiding students to make informed career choices, or assisting professionals to harness their strengths. With minimal investment, high profit margins, and the ability to work from home, DMIT is the perfect business opportunity for anyone looking to grow both financially and personally. So, take the first step today and WhatsApp to 94380407761 for any queries. Start your DMIT journey and let's create success together.